Chris, welcome to Logomus's Cable Fun Factory. Here we have 50 meter Vicon cable. This comes pre-barrel spooled from Logomus HQ, and we need to unroll it, make it a little bit easier for installation. So we've come up with this design, the Easy Unroller 5000, and this should make pretty short work of trying to get an over and under with our cable. So let's get the PVC pipe through the centre, get the outside on top, down goes through the pipe, out the other side, and then get your trusty assistant down the other end, Matt. Yeah, COVID free, and we just unroll it. So. Well, it's patented now, but it's definitely come through from the Easy Roller 1000 to the 2000. Now we're up to the 5000 prototype. This one's patented. It's a concept though. We're going to probably roll out the red spec. So the one that will be available will be painted red, and we challenge anyone to singly unroll a 50 meter cable over and under neatly, ready for installation, from unpacking to finished product, as Max will show in a second.
So you can see I'm doing counter twist over under. Now what this means is when you're done, you can pull away and the cable will run flat. And a zip tie, and we're done.
How many to go?
That is 60-50 meters out of 90 done, 2 out of 3 miles down.